What happens when a conflict thousands of miles away suddenly makes it more expensive to fill up your vehicle here in the UK? Right now, that's exactly what drivers across the country are beginning to experience. Rising tensions in the Middle East, particularly involving Iran, the United States, and Israel, are pushing global oil prices higher. And as those prices climb, the impact is starting to reach drivers, transport companies, and supply chains throughout the UK. For many drivers and logistics operators, the change is already noticeable. Fuel prices have begun to increase as instability in the Middle East affects global energy markets. When uncertainty surrounds major oil-producing regions, markets react quickly. Oil and gas prices move up, and that increase filters down to petrol and diesel costs almost immediately. For UK drivers, especially those working in transport and logistics, that creates immediate pressure. Fuel is one of the biggest expenses in the haulage industry. Many operators say that operating costs typically fall into three main areas: fuel, driver wages, and vehicle maintenance. Each of these categories represents a major share of the total cost of running a fleet, but fuel tends to fluctuate the most, which makes it particularly challenging for businesses to manage. And even small price increases can quickly turn into large expenses. Heavy goods vehicles use a significant amount of diesel. On average, many trucks achieve between 7 and 8 miles per gallon. When fuel prices rise by only a few pence per litre, the cost difference may seem small at first, but when multiplied across dozens of vehicles and thousands of miles driven each week, the financial impact grows rapidly. Drivers and transport companies are also keeping a close eye on fuel supply availability. Some operators are reporting that suppliers are already finding it more difficult to schedule upcoming deliveries. While there is no confirmed shortage of fuel, the growing difficulty in arranging deliveries is creating uncertainty across parts of the industry. For logistics companies that rely on consistent supply to keep fleets moving, that uncertainty is another challenge on top of rising costs. But fuel prices are only one part of the story. Many of the goods transported across the UK, including food products and packaging materials, depend on international supply chains. With global tensions rising, shipping routes and container movements could also face delays. If that happens, the impact may extend beyond fuel prices. Slower container deliveries or disrupted shipping schedules could create additional pressure on the distribution networks that move goods around the country every day. For now, many in the industry are urging caution rather than panic. Drivers and transport operators are encouraging the public not to rush out and stockpile fuel. Panic buying can create artificial shortages and make supply issues worse, even when there is enough fuel available overall. Still, most operators acknowledge that higher fuel costs rarely stay contained within the transport sector. When operating expenses rise, transport companies may initially absorb some of the increase. But over time, those costs are usually passed along through the supply chain. That means higher transportation costs can eventually influence the price of goods delivered to businesses and consumers. The effect is already being felt by drivers operating smaller fleets of service vehicles and delivery vans. Vehicles that require frequent refueling throughout the week are particularly sensitive to price increases. Even modest changes at the pump can add up to significant weekly expenses when multiple vehicles are involved. For some operators, those additional costs can quickly reach hundreds of pounds over the course of a week. And when that happens, businesses often have little choice but to adjust their prices to remain sustainable. This is what economists describe as a knock-on effect. Rising fuel prices increase transportation costs, those transportation costs affect logistics pricing, and eventually those changes filter through to the broader economy. For drivers across the UK, the situation highlights how closely connected global events and everyday costs can be affected. A geopolitical conflict thousands of miles away can influence oil markets within hours, and those shifts can affect the price of fuel at local forecourts soon after. So while the immediate impact is being felt by drivers and transport companies, the bigger question remains how long these higher costs will continue and how widely their effects will spread. Because if fuel prices keep rising, the pressure on UK drivers, haulage companies, and supply chains may only continue to grow.